In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zelle with BMO. Zelle is a fast and secure way to send and receive money with people you trust, and the best part is it's built right into your BMO mobile app and online banking. I'll guide you through what you'll see on screen, share a few helpful tips, and make sure you feel confident from start to finish. Start by signing in to your BMO mobile app or logging in through online banking on your computer. A steady internet connection helps the process go smoothly, and it's a good idea to have access to the email address or mobile number you plan to use for Zelle. If you're on the mobile app, make sure you're using a recent version so the Zelle option appears as expected. Once you're in, look for Zelle in the menu. In the mobile app, it's often under areas like payments, transfers, or something labeled Send Money with Zelle. On the website, check the top or side navigation for a similar section. If you don't immediately see it, expand the menu items. Sometimes it's grouped with other payment tools. When you find Zelle, tap or click Get Started. This takes you into the setup flow. You'll usually see a brief overview of how Zelle works and may be asked to review basic terms. Take a moment to read anything on the screen so you understand how transfers work, including timing and eligibility. Next, enter the email address or mobile number you want to use with Zelle. Pick the one you check the most because Zelle will use it to send you important verification codes and payment notifications. If needed, you can add a different phone number here. Just make sure it's a number you control and can receive texts. Keep in mind that an email address or phone number can typically be linked to Zelle at only one bank at a time, so choose the contact detail you want associated with BMO. Once your information looks correct, select Confirm Account and complete the verification steps. You'll usually receive a one-time code by text or email. Enter that code promptly and never share it with anyone. If the code doesn't arrive, wait a moment and check your spam or junk folder, then request a new one if needed. After the code is verified, you'll see a confirmation that your setup is complete. That's it, your Zelle is now set up with BMO and ready to use. From here, you can send and receive money with people you trust, typically within minutes. Always confirm recipient details before sending, and you're all set to enjoy quick, convenient transfers.